Hi, this is Sue and I am holding a scalar energy pendant. This pendant is based on quantum science nanotechnology. It comes with the authenticity card. And this pendant is all natural, made from volcanic lava. It contains 99.9% germanium and which produces negative ions. And these negative ions protect your body from diseases and viruses, heals your body faster, relieves your body of any kind of pains, protects you from radiation, pollution, and electromagnetic frequencies. It improves the blood flow to all over your body, to your heart, and to your brain. The heart function improves, your memory gets better, and you become very alert. And this pendant is so effective. If you put it under a glass of water for 15 minutes, the water is purified and it has been tested. If you put this pendant in the refrigerator, the vegetables and fruit stay fresh longer. If you put it in the room, the air in the room is purified. It has been of great benefit to me. It has been life-changing for me. I have been wearing this pendant for last few weeks. Half an hour after I wore this pendant, I actually felt so energized. Since I have worn this pendant, I am very active, very happy, very healthy, and also I'm always surrounded by somehow positive thinking people. It has been a great benefit to my body and my surrounding and my environment. It has been so great that I think we should not ignore this product. I would like to share this information and the product with more and more people. And please, if you to get this pendant, please go to my website, www.mermaidsdesire.com, MERMAIDSDESIRE. Please get in touch. Thank you. God bless.